You know how fast you're going?
I'm in a rush to work, sir. I'm sorry. Because he think I'm lying about my name.
You don't need your ID on it?
I do not, sir.
But whose purse is this?
This is my sister's car again.
The 28th of July, 2025. Traffic stop for speeding. Location, Hodgkins, Illinois, Chicago, metropolitan area. Subject arrested for obstructing identification and booked on an active warrant.
How's it going? How you doing? Good, good. You know how fast you're going?
I'm in a rush to work, sir. I'm sorry.
Where are you trying to get to?
To work.
Where do you work?
I work at UPS.
Charles 9625.
I'm sorry, what did you say?
I work at UPS.
UPS?
Yes.
You want to be Charles 9625?
You got a driver's license or insurance on you?
I don't have my driver's license on me, but you can look it up for me. But I have my insurance on me.
You have one though?
I do.
Oh, you just don't have it on you? Alright.
Yeah.
Do you have the insurance on you too? What time you gotta be at work?
At 3 o'clock.
Is there any letter that I may be missing?
Give me 1 second, alright?
Okay.
I can't find you in our system. You say your name's Cachet?
Yes, Cash.
Okay, and you don't have your driver's license on you?
I don't have it on me.
Do you have any other ID on you?
I don't.
No?
You got the right birthday?
Give me 7/20,
2002?
2002, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not coming back. Nothing's coming back. It's 2002?
Yeah.
You told me 2000.
No, I said 2002.
2002. What did you say your first name was?
Cachet.
Cachet? What did you just tell her?
The same thing.
You said Shantel. Shantel.
I did not. That's my sister.
That's your sister?
Yes.
Okay.
This is my sister's car.
This is your sister's car?
Yeah, the insurance that I showed you, this is my sister's car.
Okay. Let's try one more time.
Who owns the car?
Huh?
Who owns the car?
My sister. This is my sister's car.
What's your sister's name?
Shantel.
Do you know her birthday?
It's 08. It's August the 27th.
Okay. Do you know what year? Do you have anything with your name on it?
I don't at the moment.
Photo of your ID? Photo works. Or like an insurance card with your name on it, or anything on your phone's fine.
No, again, this is my sister's car.
No, I know, no. I mean
just showed
like
him
health
the
insurance, anything. Yeah, just something with your name on it. Or if you have a photo of an ID, that's perfect too. You going home?
No, I'm going to work.
Or where you work at?
I work at UPS.
Oh, okay. In Hodgkins or?
In Hodgkins.
Okay. You used to work over there. You know the... Never mind.
What?
Never mind. I'm thinking of the other one.
Oh.
Willow Springs one.
Oh, no, that's
the same one?
Yes,
You know the
same
barn
one.
across the street? There's like a horse farm on the back side of it. I used to work at the farm there.
Okay, I never seen the back.
Yeah, you gotta go. It's nice. Yeah, a photo of your ID or something.
I got a new phone, so let me see.
He's looking for a photo.
Yeah. Do you have like a debit card or anything? Something with your name on it?
I left my purse at home.
You don't have anything on?
Nothing, like no
Nothing.
identification. I'm sorry, guys. Like, I'm not even joking.
Keep looking.
Okay.
Or like a photo of your health insurance or any work, like a pay stub from work, banking.
Email. Something directed to you. Something directed to you.
Like I said, I have a new phone. Like I just got this phone yesterday, so it's like I don't have much
Well,
information
everything looks
yet.
like it's transferred over.
No.
You gotta have your license on you. You have to keep it present when you drive. Okay, and we're just having a hard time. We just want to make sure you are who you say you are, and then we can clear you out of here. So, you know, that's all we're waiting for.
You don't have like a name tag or something from work? So you're going to UPS right now?
They don't give us a name tag.
Don't give you anything?
No, we just have to punch in with our number.
Okay, I got it. Well, just pull up a pay stub from work or banking app.
But my phone don't have no data. That's the thing.
What do you mean?
I don't have no data on my phone.
So you don't have your driver's license, you don't have your purse, you don't have anything that can verify your
I
name?
don't, not at the moment. I'm sorry. I was running late to work. I came from a family function.
You're going to have to pull up something. I can't just let you go without verifying who you are.
Are you Shantel?
I'm not Shantel. I'm Cachet.
Okay. Are you lying to us?
No.
Okay. What birthday did you give him the first time?
I gave him July 20th, 2002.
Okay, and did you spell your name with a K?
I do not. My name is spelled with a C.
Okay.
C-A-S-H-A-Y.
I just need to see something, anything, that has your name on it. And I don't think it's that hard, because there's a million options on your phone. A pay stub from work, a work email. You can log into something.
Again, ma'am,
No,
I don't have no
I'm
data
telling
on my
you,
phone to log into anything.
You
to
can
show
log
you.
into anything that has your name on it.
Then what I just say? I don't have no data on my
pull up
phone.
something that has your name on it.
You have the internet.
I do not have the internet.
Everyone has the
I can show you that I do not have the internet.
Go to your email.
I can't. My email is.
You should still be able to pull it up. Just go on your phone, go to your email.
My email is not going to show because I don't have no data, sir.
Just go to your email. Pull up anything. Or it should be a 2. Does it say 2?
I don't have no data to show you anything, sir.
This is you have a bunch of emails here.
I do, but I'm saying it's like no data to show you anything, sir. I don't have no data to pull up anything to show you. Like it's not gonna load. You see what I'm saying?
Okay.
Like I'm not.
Let's see. Do you have any other apps or anything? Can you go to your homepage? Instagram. Go to Instagram.
It's not gonna show you.
Go to your homepage. I mean, yeah. Go to the top.
It's not gonna load. So,
It
'cause
just
I don't have no
loaded. Go
data.
to the top. You're Shantel.
No, this is another like I have
Shantel.
multiple. I have multiple accounts.
Why are you lying to me?
I'm not lying, sir.
You have multiple accounts. Why would you have
look.
Chantel's account?
This is my sister's account.
Okay. What's Shantel? Hey. What's Shantel her driver's license? What's the status? That's funny. Man, just step out of the car. Step out of the car. She just pulled up her Instagram and says Shantel.
I have multiple accounts. That's what I'm telling you.
All
This
right,
is my
just
sister.
step out and then we'll figure out more, okay? All right, just let's talk first. Step out of the car. It's a lawful order. Okay, step out of the vehicle. If you do not step out of the vehicle, he will remove you from the vehicle. It is a lawful order to step out of the car. Bring your phone with. You want her to look? Which one?
Alright, come to the back car.
Smile. No.
No, it's not. I can't even make it to work,
Let's see
bro.
your teeth. Let's see your teeth. So what? So, like, we all know why we're here, right? He's went to
He said I was speeding.
Yeah, well, yeah, but
Okay, I
why
might
we're all
have this
here now? Why we're all sitting outside our car?
because he think I'm lying about my name.
You don't have anything with your ID on it?
I do not, sir. I'm telling them my phone don't have no internet to load like the browser.
Okay, but you don't have like a wallet on you? You don't have anything? Like, where are you going right now?
I'm going to work. I work at
You
UPS.
don't take anything with you to work?
No.
Do you have your ID? Your badge to get in?
No, we have to punch in.
Where's your work
ID?
stuff?
It's in my car, sir. My work stuff is in my car. You want to see?
Shoes?
My shoes is in
No,
my
you
car.
can stay back here, man. Stay
My
back here.
shoes and all my uniform is in my car, sir. My shoes is everything.
What about whose purse is this?
This is my sister's car again.
352.
She just makes sure I get to work.
I'm just having a hard time with you not pulling anything up. I think that's where we're all at.
your phone. Go back to your Instagram. If you have more than one account on Instagram,
Yeah.
then show them.
I do. I have
Show
more
more
than
than
one
one
account.
I thought you said you don't have internet.
I do not, but I can log in. Like I can't.
You can't log
can
into
switch-
different
I can
accounts.
switch the
Go
account.
back to your Instagram.
Here you go.
I scroll to the
I
top
have
and it says
look
Shantel.
exactly, and this is another account, right? Right or wrong?
You keep your sister's account?
I do.
That's a
Listen,
little strange.
it may be.
No,
We
I
are
don't
two different people, ma'am.
Well, it doesn't. You can't be two different people if you're keeping her account.
You are you, and I am me. This is a different
Go
account.
back to the other one.
Look. This is the
Go back
different.
to the other one.
This is the other
Shantel.
one. Right. This is my sister's account.
That's you. Ma'am, turn around. You're under arrest. The driving while suspended.
Can't even make it to work, bro. I should have pulled the off.
You want to tell me your name now? Because I know it
I
now.
told you my name.
Chantel. All right, so you're going to get taken back to the station. You're going to get fingerprinted
Okay,
anyway.
okay, let's
Your
do
name's
what we
going to come
gonna
back as Shantel.
Okay, let's do what we gonna do, bro. I ain't into the talk.
Central
I'm
Beach.
irritated.
I
I
got
put
one.
food on the work. Oh, this about nothing, bro. I should have pulled the out. Took y'all ass on the high speed. How you making your money?
Why are you lying to me?
I'm not lying, sir.
Yeah, you are. You're
I'm
clearly not even going to work.
I'm going to work. If you want to see, I go to work
What time
from 3.
do you work?
I work from 3 in the morning to 10 in the morning.
I believe that, but you're lying to me about your name. You just pulled up Chantel's Instagram on the story as you.
Okay.
How dumb do you think I am?
Okay.
You think I'm
If that's
stupid?
what make your money, bro. Okay.
That's you. Come on. All right. Right.
Okay.
Is that you?
Okay.
Now you're looking at another
asking.
charge for lying.
Yeah.
All right.
Y'all get paid for this?
Of course I get paid for
Of
this.
course.
My job.
I'm saying y'all get paid extra for taking people in.
So you don't want that bag or anything?
Where y'all finna take my car to?
Huh?
Where y'all finna take my car to?
I'll give you that information when we get to the station. It's going to get towed.
331.
Where to though? That's what I'm saying.
I'll give you that information when we get to the station.
5400 West 95th Street.
Can I call my job and tell them that I got arrested?
We'll give you calls at the station.
But don't have the number is in my phone.
I'm gonna grab your phone.
Bring your phone with you to the station.
Just give me a second.
Gee.
Legal basis for the stop. Terry v. Ohio, 392 U, S11 968. Officers need only reasonable articulable suspicion, not probable cause, to initiate an investigatory stop. Observed speeding satisfies this standard. Duty to identify during a lawful stop 720 ILCS 53(1-4.5) Illinois compiled statutes. A person who intentionally provides a false name or date of birth to a peace officer during a lawful stop commits a Class A misdemeanor. Penalty up to 364 days, fine up to $500. Extended detention is lawful when identity cannot be verified. Rodriguez v. United States, 575 U.S. 3482015. A traffic stop may be prolonged beyond its ordinary mission when officers develop independent reasonable suspicion. Contradictory identity information satisfies that threshold. Officers cannot compel access to a phone. Riley versus California 573 U. S3732014. A cell phone may not be searched incident to arrest without a warrant. Requesting voluntary digital identification is lawful. Refusal alone does not constitute obstruction. Lawful order to exit the vehicle, Pennsylvania v. Mims 434 U.S. 106-1977. As a matter of course, officers may order a driver out of a vehicle during any lawful traffic stop. Refusal to comply constitutes failure to obey a lawful order. Social media profile as plain view. Evidence. United States v. Flores Lopez, 670F, 3D, 803/7, CIR, 2012. Officers may examine information visible on a phone screen without unlocking it. A username or photo visible on screen constitutes plain view evidence and requires no warrant. Driving with a suspended license, 625. ILCS 56-303. Illinois Vehicle Code. Operating a vehicle while the license is suspended is a Class A misdemeanor on first offense. License status confirmed by dispatch radio check at 7 minutes 01 second into the encounter. 3 independent grounds for arrest. 725 ILCS 5107-2 Illinois Code of Criminal Procedure. Ground 1, pre-existing active warrant. Ground 2, driving with suspended license, 625 ILCS 56-303. Ground 3, obstructing identification, 720 ILCS 531 to 4.5. Fifth Amendment does not protect identity concealment. Hybel versus 6th Judicial District Court, 542 U.S. 177-2004. The right against self-incrimination does not extend to providing accurate identification during a lawful investigatory stop. Providing a name is not testimonial in the Miranda sense. Lesson 1. False identity multiplies legal exposure. A speeding violation carries a fine and a court date. Adding a false name converts a traffic infraction to a criminal arrest under 720 ILCS 531 to 4.5. The underlying offense does not disappear. The new charge is added on top of it. Lesson 2. Officers may use available digital information. Social media visible on a phone screen is lawfully observable without a warrant under plain view doctrine. Coolidge versus New Hampshire 403 U.S. 4431971. Digital information an officer can see without manipulating the device carries evidentiary weight. Lesson 3. An active warrant makes arrest inevitable. Once a subject with an active warrant is identified, officers have no discretion to release them. Any stop for any reason that results in positive identification will result in custody. Providing a false name delays this outcome. It does not prevent it. Final charges. Illinois Criminal Code. Obstructing identification 720 ILCS 531 to 4.5 Class A misdemeanor. Driving with suspended license 625 ILCS 56 to 303 Class A misdemeanor. Active warrant 725 ILCS 5107 to 2. Speeding 625 ILCS 511 to 601.